Hey beautiful people, you're welcome back to another video. Today I want to share this vital information with you, and this is for everyone that is looking for an amazing country to move to. So Canada, the US, the UK, the top countries that I know many of you want to move to is currently facing a lot of immigration changes, policy changes that are affecting immigrants in the country and even those that want to move in. So I want to show you another alternative, a very solid alternative where you can move to and still get to actualize your dreams. This is a very top quality country that people don't really talk about, so I want to share this with you. And here you can move with your dependents, okay? So the question of can I or can I not move with my dependents? Here you are moving with your dependents. You can work, you can study, all for free. So this is that free move abroad. You don't need to break the bank to move abroad. Your relocation is fully sponsored, visa sponsorship. Everything that you need is right here in this country. So please watch the video to the end while I share all the information with you. If it's your first time here, you're welcome to the channel. Here I share information to open your minds to opportunities that are available to you abroad. So please do subscribe, turn on the notification bell, so when next I share another video, you'll be notified and you get to watch it, because you need to arm yourself with so much information so you can get this dream going. All right, and if you want to talk to me one-on-one, please do send me an email or use the links in the description box to book a session with me. And if it's your first time, please drop a comment below. Let me know it's your first time. I always have something special for first timers. So drop below, it is my first time. Thank you so much. Don't forget to give the video a thumbs up and also share the video with everyone you know so they too can take advantage of the opportunity that I'll be sharing here. Before we go forward, let us get this quick information. If you want to make $1,000 every month, I have the perfect side hustle for you. This is something you can do from the comfort of your home. You don't need to quit your job to do it, and it is passive income. So you're going to be getting paid while you sleep, get paid while you're on vacation. You don't need to actively work on it to get paid. Let me explain how it works. You can become a publisher on Amazon KDP, and this is something that I myself have done. All right, so I get paid every month from Amazon for doing nothing. I started over 5 years ago, so you can do it exactly the way I did it, to be getting paid every month without doing anything. It's a publishing business, but you don't need to be a writer to do it because you're not writing any books. Stackly has put together manuscripts of public domain books that are best-selling books globally. These books are in demand right now across the world. So all you need to do is buy these manuscripts from Stackly, publish it on Amazon KDP, and get paid every month. Stackly has also put together a free training course you're going to be getting when you buy your pack of manuscripts. So you actually do not need to know anything about this before you start. I too knew nothing about it. I got trained by Stackly. I started this business while I was living in Nigeria because I wanted to move abroad. So I started to save money to move abroad, so you can do the same as well. And even now that I'm living abroad, it really helps me with my living expenses. Imagine making $1,000 from nowhere, from literally nowhere, because I don't do anything anymore. And that is the beauty of the business. After you have initially published your books on Amazon KDP, you don't need to do anything anymore. Amazon pays you at the end of every month. So do buy your pack of manuscripts from Stackly. There are currently 4 manuscript packs you can buy. There is a pack of 30 manuscripts, a pack of 60 manuscripts, a pack of 150 manuscripts, and a pack of 300 manuscripts. Feel free to buy any one you can afford, but I do recommend the 300 pack because that is what I did, and that is where you can make the most money. So when I say $1,000 a month, it is not fixed. It can be $20,000, $13,000, $9,000. It can be anything. So when you buy your pack of manuscripts, please send me an email so I can add you to my own private personal KDP group that has KDP publishers from all around the world. So buy your manuscripts from stackly.com, get the free training, publish your books on Amazon KDP, and sit back and get paid every month forever. All the links are in the description box below. All right, you're welcome back. So I want to show you this country, one of my favorite countries, one of the best countries in the world on all fronts. Anything that is important for you in a country you want to move to, I bet you this country has it. And people don't talk about this country enough, right? And it's a very solid country you can move to, and you can move for free. In today's video, I want to show you how you can move for free. Okay, that's the whole point. There are many ways you can move to this country. You can go on a job seeker visa. I've talked about that before on the channel, where you apply for this visa and then travel down to the country in search of a job. All right. You can also get a job offer prior to moving to the country, or you can move for studies. So in today's video, I want to talk about how you can move to Sweden for studies. All right. Please do your research about Sweden. If it's not on your list, it's one of the best countries in the world in terms of high wages, safety, quality of life, work-life balance. If you're planning to have children while living in this country, you're going to get the best paternity and maternity leave ever. You can get a paid leave for up to 1.5 years if you give birth in this country. The work-life balance here is really amazing, and they are even working on making it better. So much is going on. Anyway, if you don't know much about Sweden, please do your research about it. So you can go study in Sweden, and you can also do it for free. The government has set aside a scholarship to sponsor foreign students to study in the country. If you're a citizen or permanent resident, or even a resident, if you're a resident of this country, you can study for free. So foreigners, non-EU and EEA students are liable to pay tuition fees. So if you're one of them, then you should pay tuition fees here, but you can leverage a scholarship I'm going to be sharing with you to study for free. If you can afford it, good. But let's talk about the scholarship first. Then I'm going to show you some other information. So this scholarship is a yearly scholarship, the most prestigious scholarship in Sweden. It is called the SI Scholarship for Global Professionals, yeah? And this scholarship is fully funded. I have a mentorship program for people that want me to personally help them move abroad for studies. So you can join us. This is the admission season. So this is the best time to work on this. And it's for all countries. You'll also be discovering some new countries you can apply to. There are countries where it is completely free for foreigners to study. And there are other countries where you can study for like $30, $100. $200, very affordable. And I'm going to be showing you the countries where you can go with your family, where you can work while you study. You know, there's something for everyone there. Whether you want to study for free, you can do that, or you want to fund your studies, you can do that. If your budget is low, it's for everyone. Once you're done with your secondary school, you can join my mentorship program. So there are vocational schools which are free. There are master's programs, bachelor's programs, PhD programs. All of that are going to be covered in the mentorship program. So I'm going to be helping you, holding your hand to move abroad for study. So if you want to move abroad within the next 4 to 9 months, come and join my mentorship program. You would get access to thousands upon thousands of fully funded opportunities, free studies. You can move abroad for free on this mentorship program. Our classes will begin this Friday. We have a WhatsApp group already, which people have already joined. So use the link in the description or in the comments. I'm going to pin it so you can click on that link, register, just pay a little token and join us in the WhatsApp group. We're going to be having live sessions as well, and you get so many bonus resources. So send me an email or click on those links to join the mentorship program. So here is what is included in this scholarship. Number one, full tuition fee coverage. The fee is paid directly by SI to your Swedish university each semester. Number two, a monthly allowance of 12,000 Swedish krona. That is almost $2,000 to cover your living expenses throughout the study period. And you're also going to get a travel grant, which is going to cover your travel costs, your flight tickets and all of that to Sweden, 15,000. So it's going to cover your tuition fees. All right. So whatever your tuition fees is, they're going to cover that. So here you can have the chance to study at a very prestigious university in Sweden, fully funded. And you also get monthly allowance that is going to help with your living expenses, your books, and everything that you need. Okay. So this is one way to move to Sweden for free. So applications into Swedish schools is going to open this month in a few days. And that is why I'm bringing this video early now so you can prepare towards it. The applications you'll be sending out now is towards fall of next year, autumn of next year, yeah? So this is the period you need to apply. It's going to open October 16, yeah? And you can study for your master's program. They have English taught master's programs here. Yeah, let me say this. If you're looking for a country where you can settle, Sweden is that country for you. You can get your permanent residency and citizenship here in Sweden, and you don't even need a language test for that, but learning Swedish is going to help you to live in the country and also get, jobs and all of that. But you don't need that language test for your citizenship, and that is rare. So I just wanted to put that out there, so you can always settle in this country if you want. So let us look at some other details. The criteria for this SI scholarship: the following countries are eligible to apply for the SI scholarship for global professionals. Armenia, this is the list. I can't read everything, okay? This is the list. You can just pause and see if your country is here. Nigeria is here. The Philippines is here. All right, Senegal, South Africa, Tanzania, Armenia, Belarus, Brazil, Colombia, just look at it, Zambia, Vietnam, Uganda. So if you're from one of these 33 countries, then you're eligible to apply. And then the eligible programs here, the programs eligible are English Taught Masters Program covering a variety of educational fields, and the list is going to be published in November. So other eligibility is that you're liable to pay tuition fees, which you are if you're not a member of the EU or EEA. And then you have paid the application fee for master's program on time, and then be admitted or conditionally admitted to one of the eligible master's programs, And then previous experience. To be eligible, you must have work experience. However, you do not have to be employed at the time of application. So these are the steps to apply for the SI scholarship. Number 1, apply for a master's program. So I'm going to show you how to apply for a master's program. Number 2, apply for a global professional scholarship, SI screening and evaluation, and they have dates to it. Okay, so the dates for applying for a master's program is October 15 to January 15. And then to apply for the scholarship will be from 10th of February. And then the other steps follow: the screening and evaluation, notification from university admissions, and then the final evaluation and announcement of scholarship recipients as well. So for you to apply for masters in Sweden, there is one website where you can just go and apply, And this is the website. So you come here to apply for your course. So you select the period you want to apply for, which will be autumn of 2026, and then you can select your subject, course name, or the location. You click on find courses and you're going to see all of that. But let us look at the dates and deadlines. So it's going to open 16th of October, as you can see here. Application round opens and it's closing 15th of January. So you have 3 months to apply, all right, for admission. Okay, so let's click autumn, then find courses. So these are the list of courses, and then you can just see details about it. So anyone you want, you can also select, filter here what you want. If it's a master's, you click on masters, and then you need to sign up. That's an important note. Sign up on this website so you can register you can send in your application. So you can look at all universities or choose the university you want, and then the subject as well. Obviously, you know what you want to study, so just look for that. Just select that already. I can't select because obviously everyone is watching, so you will be doing that on your own. So here it is. When you see what you're looking for, you click on it to see more info. You can see application period 16th to 15th of January rather. So you click on it and see details. You see the tuition fees, and you would see other details about the course, so you know if it's for you. You can also click on it to see more details. So you'd see the requirements and all the documents you need to apply. But on a general note, you need your passport, your last degree certificate, and you will need your transcript, all right, to apply. Then some others are specific to the program you want to apply for. All right, so that's about it for today's video. You can join the mentorship program if you want. We're also going to be covering studies in Sweden as well as all around the world. So any country you want to move to, we are going to cover that on the mentorship program, which classes begin this Friday. So please join us immediately. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to the channel so you can be seeing more info from me, and let's see you in the next one. Bye. Hey everyone, I bring you good news. Moving to Ireland just got easy. The Republic of Ireland is now a top destination for experts looking to work abroad. So if you want to go work abroad, I highly recommend Ireland for many reasons. It is an English-speaking country, which removes the language barrier that makes it very easy for you to integrate into a new country. Ireland also has very favorable visa options for you. Settling in Ireland is the fastest and easiest right now. Ireland is actively receiving foreign workers. As a highly skilled worker, you can get your permanent residency in Ireland in 2 years and citizenship in 5 years. You can move with your family immediately. I have put together an ebook that contains all the visa information you need about Ireland, how to move to Ireland as a highly skilled worker, as a skilled trades worker, and as a healthcare worker. Not only that, I have put together all the employers in Ireland that are currently hiring foreign workers. Getting this ebook is like me having a one-on-one consultation with you, giving you a step-by-step guide, holding your hand through the process from start to finish to land a job in Ireland and moving down to the country to begin your new life. It is easy to read and you can access it on your mobile phone, on a tablet and your laptop. I also have CV templates and cover letter templates, samples of CVs and cover letters that you can edit to apply to these jobs. This ebook also has so many bonus resources. I put together this ebook so that anyone that buys this ebook can move to Ireland within the next 3 months. To get this ebook, please use the link in the description box below or send me an email and I'll be more than happy to share the link with you. Grab your own copy of the Work in Ireland ebook and I hope to see you in Ireland within the next 3 months.